Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my Bases Loaded Lacquer recent haul in swatches. We're going to start with the Tooted and Rebooted collection, and this is Flashing Some Leather. It's like a beautiful camel color. And then next up we have Off to a Rocky Start. Kind of a greenish color. I love these, by the way. Next, this purple is Arizona Fall League. Oh, yes. And this rosy color is Terracotta Steelin'. And then the teal one is Bad Hops. And I had to pick up some other stuff too. So here we go with that. Fall Flames, Killer Orange Hollow. And then we've also got Enshiro. I'm sorry. Whew. And then the last one we've got here is Up the Middle. And I know these two look very similar, so here they are side by side. You can see that green flash. So we're going to swatch these out on my swatch wheel. Now, I tried to get good swatch photos of each color, but it just wasn't working. And so instead of, making y'all sit through some painfully, terrible looking swatch photos, this is going to be it. I'm going to swatch. I'm going to do 2 coats of each with top coat on them. And the camera is actually picking up the colors pretty well today as far as this live swatching goes. You guys know I love these creams. Love them. And then look at this. Yes. Oh, wait till you see the second coat on this rascal. So here we go. Now, I put these two together on the end so that you could see them side by side. And, I know a lot of people are going to be like, those are the same color. Well, I mean, if they are to you, then just pick which one's your favorite. Me, I needed both of them. Now, you will be seeing all of these polishes very soon in some manicures. I can't wait to water marble with these and do some gradients. And I think these are going to work great for some fall manicures. I am in love with all of them. Cannot pick a favorite. So I will have a link for Tara's store down below. If you look down in my description box, there is a discount code down there for Bases Loaded Lacquer. I don't get commission or anything like that off of it. Tara knows I love her polishes, and I'm always talking about them on my channel and using them. So she did provide me with a discount code for you all. And it is down there if you want to get in on some stuffs. Now, I don't know what's still available and what's not. With indie makers, sometimes they're limited batches. Sometimes they can't get the same pigments or whatever. So they can't, once they're gone, they're gone. So, I do apologize if you see something you love and you go back and then they're not there. I'm going to do a 3rd coat on this one, I just think it needed it, which is okay. Now, if you prefer, you could put this over black or dark, like a navy. Either one of these could, you wouldn't have to use as many coats of the special polish, as I call it. So, I just wanted to share with you all what I picked up. And look at that flash. I love that green flash on that one. So pretty. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed these swatches and saw something that you liked. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.